What would Orina say? Should you help your family back home first or invest in yourself? Kamakawa, welcome back to What Would Orina Say, the daily hot seat where you ask and I answer with fire. You know, today's question is one that every hustler in the diaspora and even at home knows too well. Unasemaje? You know, should you help family back home first or invest in yourself? So let's dig in. What will Orina say? Hey, this one cuts deep, because you know, when you are abroad, every phone call from home, it begins with hello, tunaomba msaada kidogo, and suddenly your whole paycheck has wings. Inakuwa na mabawa, inakuwa na mbawa, inaanza kuruka. You know, helping family is beautiful. Don't get me wrong. You know, we're talking about parents, siblings at home, relatives. They carried us when we had nothing. Tukuwa na kitu. But here's the hard truth. If you don't invest in yourself, you will always remain a donor and never a builder. Let's think about it. If you use all your money to buy bags of cement back at home for your uncle's house, but you can't even afford your own rent here, so who really benefits? You know, and people don't know that at times. Unawambia sijalipa rent, wanakuangalia, what are you saying? The balance is this, you know, invest in yourself first until you are stable. Build your skills, build your savings, maybe a business. Once your roots are strong, then you can send fruits back home without killing the tree. Some of us we send fruits and then we kill the tree. Because you know, if you keep pouring from an empty cup, at the end of the day, both of you and your family will be thirsty. Kikombe kiko pweke, and therefore you remain empty. Before I say something more, I want to give a shout out to one of my fans yesterday asking a question if you should marry your ex's, your friend's ex, and someone, one of you commented this way, akasema, yes, I will, because I'm not fighting for the past, I'm building the future. Hey, philosopher wa estate, people think, but wanafikiria differently, and we got to respect that. So my people, what will you do? Help family first or secure yourself before giving? Drop your answers below. Funniest or most powerful reply, as usual, will be featured tomorrow.